Hi people, how are you all doing? I'd like to introduce to you a trading bot called Royal Q. Making money is actually not difficult. Stop killing your head, slaving yourselves. All you need to do is just to activate a bot, buy the bots, activate. You know, there's so much money to be made from. I've been trading for some time now, and I've been making cool cash daily. Royal Q bot is the best bot on earth. In fact, trust me, that's the best bot you need, and it's quite cheap, very affordable. You just the bot is about $100. You buy the bots, and then you activate it, then you link it. It's as simple as ABC, plug and play. If you know how to trade in the forex market by yourself, you can pick your trades and let the bot continue. I mean, the bot trades for you in such a way that you don't have any losses at all. If you don't know how to trade by yourself, if you don't have any idea about you have loose cash, oh yeah, now it's not hard. You download the, you buy the bot for $100, you fund your wallet with any amount you have or you feel like trading with, and you make cash every day. How about that? Making money no hard though. To make money no hard. You know how that's not the thing, with my brothers and my sisters. They get into the now. That's where we have all the money. Don't deceive yourself and start wasting your time trying to figure out so many things, understand how do I make this money. I don't know anything about it. Don't worry. Let's hold your hands. Trust us. Let's hold your hands and show you how to make money. Amazing, fantastic way to make money without hassles at all. Okay? So if you are interested in what I just said, just inbox me and I'll show you the way. Bye.